I got my first FabFitFun box. Open it up and we have the little catalog, which I'll have to look at. It almost looks like a little magazine. It's so cute. There's a little note. Open it up. So first thing is this Ahava hand cream. Oh, that looks great. It's a huge container. Beautiful. So it says Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. Nice. Very big. Then we have, I'll go for this one, Body Wash Infused Buffer. So this is like a konjac sponge, and it actually has soap in it. So cool. I'm going to pull it out because I already looked at it. It's just like this, and it's kind of hard. Still sort of soft, but it's like a nice little floral shape. Adorable. This, what does that say? Free People and Understated. Oh, interesting. So this is like a iPad that has weight to it. I'll have to look into what this is for. Oh, leather. Wow. It's very cool. Next is this, Summer and Rose. This looks like a tote. So let me open those two last ones. So this tote is gorgeous. It's like this nice long size but with the zip at the top. These really cute rope handles. I adore this, and there's no branding on it, so it's going to be amazing for the summer. And finally, this beautiful thing is a cooling eye mask. So I took out the little pack that was inside here, and in the bag there was this nice gel eye mask. So you actually put this in the fridge or freezer to get cold, then you slot it back into your eye mask and it provides a nice cooling sensation. So that's great if you wake up with puffy eyes. I always do nowadays, which is annoying. It has this amazing adjustable stretchy strap here. It looks so comfortable. I honestly think it'd be cozy even without cooling it down. Just the weight of this must be really relaxing. So I can't wait to try that out. Oh, this is an attractive texture. So yeah, I'm so happy with my little FabFitFun starter box. I actually just flipped it inside out, so I can actually reuse this box. This is the interior. How adorable is this box now? So I'll put shoes or old makeup or something in here. So yeah, love that. Really happy.